These Forex boats doubled my funds in 24 hours and I'm very happy to share it with you guys. You are welcome back to the channel Smart Hustle YT. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, what I do here is to teach you how to make money online and how to curtail online money wastage and scams. So what I do is that I move into the internet and find the things that works and the thing that will make my subscribers money and share it with you guys without being stingy. So guys, this particular Forex robot doubled my funds in 24 hours and I became super excited and decided to share it with you guys. You know, for me, I have learned Forex very well to an extent that I trade on my own. But I know that a lot of you might be finding it hard to trade Forex on your own. Some of you might go to work. Some of you haven't been able to learn Forex very well. Some of you might be having time constraints and the rest of that. But if I can tell you that I have found a robot that is totally hands-free, that can handle your particular coin, pairs, you know, anything without you being there, guys. So this particular bot, I first tested it on a demo for complete 1 day, left it on a demo, and I just decided to assign it $100 capital, and the next morning my $100 became around $120 plus. Being very excited, I decided to test it with small money. I loaded $20 in my real account and it traded that $20 within 6 hours to $38. Out of excitement, I stopped the bot there and withdrew the whole of my money. So guys, I am introducing this particular robot to you guys, but there is something here. This robot is not mine. If it is mine, I would have looked for a way to make the price of it to be very way lesser. As a matter of fact, this bot is being given to me by one of my mentors in Forex, a person I respect so much and don't want to have any problem with him. So he is in my general group and I can't just remove my mentor to share an information like this. He's seen everything I'm posting, even on my status. When I thought about this, I picked up my phone and chatted him up and said, can I resell this boat? And he went on by answering me, do not resell my boat. Anyone who needs it should contact me directly. Now, he sold this particular boat to me at the rate of 20k. So after due back and forth with him, he decided to reduce the price of the boat drastically to 8,000 naira. That's a whooping 12k out of the price. But there is a catch here. He told me that this price is going to be lasting for the next 24 hours. Once it is 24 hours from the time of making my video, he said from the time of making my video, the price is just going to last for 24 hours. So once you are seeing this video, the time has started ticking. Once it is 24 hours, it's going to increase the price of the boat again up to the normal price. So guys, I am going to be leaving the link you can use to get the boat in the description box. If you click on that link, it takes you directly to where you are going to make the payment. This is a person that is very much respected to me. So that's why, since I have asked him, can I resell this boat? And he said I shouldn't do that. From the kind of person I am, it will be a slap back on my side and on his side for me to still go ahead and start selling the boat. So this is the best thing I can do for you guys. There are some things he told me that I modified on my own. So I'm gonna be telling you guys in this video so that you make no mistakes when you get this boat. You can use this boat on any pair, volatility indices and the rest of that. But the best, according to him, and that follows the name, is volatility 75 index. That's the best pair it was meant for, but it can trade Euro USD and VX 75 and VX 100. But let us come to VIX 75 because that is majorly what I used in trading it. Though I use VIX 100 to trade it on demo, but on my real account I use VIX 75. Look at the things I discovered. First of all, he told me that this particular robot should be used on 5 minutes time frame. But when I got the robot, to make it to be picking up trades very fast, I decided to make it 1 minute time frame. That's the thing, it will be making it to pick trades faster, thereby giving you more profit. And when it now comes to the settings, I want you now to join me. Let us go to my computer. So guys, this particular robot is meant for NT5. It's not gonna be working on NT4. And as you can see, you need your laptop for you to be able to do this. So when you come to your MT5, as you can see, this particular balance here is a demo account. When I started, this particular 10,220 was around 10,100. So it took it from 10,100 up to 10,220 in 24 hours. And look at the boat we are talking about, Gen Zea boat. Now let me walk you guys through on how to quickly install this boat. Now first of all, let us go to our Chrome. Now looking at Chrome, look at this 3 dotted line. You're gonna click on it and then locate downloads. Now when you locate download, I mean after downloading the boat, because you're gonna click on the link on my description box. It will take you to where you are gonna download the boat. You make the payment over there, which is very simple to do according to him. You made the payment over there, then immediately you make the payment, it is going to lead you immediately to where you're gonna download the boat. I have duly asked him not to make the boat to be zip file, so he said he will try on it. But even if he make it on zip or not zip, I am still going to tell you how to download it. All right, now look at the boat. As I have downloaded it over here, I made mistake and downloaded it twice, and I downloaded it on October 12, guys, before I started using it. Now the reason you are seeing deleted here is that I have moved the boat from the Chrome download folder to another folder of my preference. All right, so if it was here, what you would have been seeing is, let's take this particular one for example. This is another thing I downloaded. This is my video on withdrawing 18 to MetaMask. I downloaded it and used it for another thing from YouTube. All right, so if the particular file is still there on your own, you are going to be seeing show in folder. So when you click on show in folder, it is going to bring it out for you on Chrome folder. You can now copy it, cut it and paste it anywhere you want to paste it. So let me go and locate the boat wherever it is, then I will now show you how to install it on your MetaTrader 5. It is very simple. Unlike what other guys show you, come to your MQLI 5, you come down, you do this and that. No, you are not going to be doing that here. I'm going to show you how to quickly install it on your MT5. Once your MT5 is up and running, I'm going to show you how to quickly install it immediately. Guys, I'm doing this for you guys, not that I'm getting anything from here. I'm just doing this for those people that are finding it hard to trade Forex, so that this boat helps you guys out in getting things done. The only thing you can do for me in exchange to this wonderful thing I want to give you is to subscribe to my channel, like this video and drop a very nice comment. So let's move on. So that is it, guys. Let me first of all delete this robot. After deleting it, I'm gonna install it in this MT5 now, and you'll see it appear here again. So let me delete it. Yeah, do you really want to delete Gen Zea? I have deleted it. Of course, the robot is no longer here again. And how do we even locate this particular place? How we locate it is, you click on view and you come down to navigator and click on it. If I click on it now, it takes it out. Your MT5 might look like this. So what you do is you click on view, then click on navigator, it brings it out. And if you install the robot, you're gonna be seeing it under free robot. So moving on. So guys, I have located the robot where it is on my system. Now this is the robot. Now what you're gonna do here is you're gonna install unzipping application. Okay, you're supposed to have that in your system. It can be any of them, but the one I mostly use that is popular is WinRAR. So guys, you right click on it. Just make sure you come exactly at where it is before right clicking. Then you come down. I have two unzipping applications, but I like using WinRAR. You can use extract files. You can use extract here, extract to Gen Zea, but just use open with WinRAR. Now when it opens it up, you are going to be seeing two files. I'm teaching you this. If he gives it on a zip file, I'm teaching you how to install it on your MT5. So the first file will be green. This particular one that is green is what you need for your MT5. The second one will be yellow. You're just going to be seeing two files that looks exactly like what you're seeing here. This particular green one is the one that is needed. This is the boat. Without just wasting time, guys, what you're needed to do is double click on that place. Immediately you double click on that place, guys, boom, it appears here. So that is it. This is the only thing you need. Now let me teach you guys how to use this bot. Let's say I load on VX75. okay, let me repeat what I did. You drag your VX75 onto your chart section. Okay, as you can see, look at the trade the robot took. Look at all the trade the robot took. As you can see, look at the signs, okay, to tell you that what I'm telling you is accurately correct. Now let's right click, because we don't want this particular chart here. Let's right click, but before we do that, first of all, we click on dock, so that it opens it up in form of a separate window. We can now draw it like this, okay, to fit in, so that we can be able to be seeing it clearly. The next thing is you right click again, then come down to properties. You can press F8 to reach there. You come down to properties, guys, then this place you have colors. This particular place, you click on it, then click on this and select color on white. That's what I use for this. Then you can go further and click on this show, then you click out show tick volumes. You select it out. If you select it out, this particular thing goes off. So let me select it out and then press OK. So this is what we need. As you can see, look at the trades taken by this robot. Now as I'm drawing this particular chart, it is taking me back. You see that? So there are two things I wanted to click. First of all, you click on this to stop taking you back. You can now move your chart to wherever you want to move it to. All right, if you want to return, you return. But if you click on this particular place, it will take you back to the starting point. So even if you draw it, it will take you back again with speed. You see that? So let me click it out, and then to make this particular candle to appear at the center, you click this one beside it so that it shifts it at the center. Now with docked view, you can be able to zoom your chart and you can minimize it if you want. So let us run this robot. The first step is to first of all come to this place. You have algo trading, you turn it on, then you come to this particular chart. We have 1 hour here. Click on option, then select time frame. Okay, look at it over here and select 1 minute. So we're going to be using 1 minute time frame here. Now for you to use this bot, just click on the bot, drag it and drop it on top of the chart. This is the very important place here. When you drag it and drop it on top of the chart, it is going to bring out this option. This very place is very important. Any mistake you make here can cost you your account. So there are settings that are pertinent to this place, which I'm going to inform him to screenshot it and also put it in that place you are buying the robot. All right, so this particular place you have lot size. This is my own setting, though he gave his own. So I want you guys to follow me because you are my subscriber and I love you guys. So this is the major important place here. It depends on the capital you are using. Look at the ranges of the capital that is needed here. The minimum capital you are expected to use here is $20. Second to it is $50. Top to it is $100 and above. So let's say you are using $20. Look at the settings. You first of all clear this place. This is very, very important, guys. Don't make mistakes. You clear this place and put it 001, the lowest lot size for VX75. Then on this place, you're gonna clear it and put 3. Then leave every other thing and load your robot. But if you are using $50, then this place, you are gonna clear this 1 and then replace it with 2. Only that is what is needed from you. If you are using $100 and above, just what you are needed to do is to clear this 2 and replace it with 5. Then come down here, clear it and replace it with 5 also, and load your robot. But if you are using, like, let's say this is from $100 to $1,000, but let's say you are using from $1,000 and above, you can then make this 0.05 to become 0.01 instead of 0.005, and then change this to either 10 or 20. All right, so let's say I'm using $100 account, so I'm gonna put 5 here and then replace this with 0.05. That's just what I need here, and then click on okay. So that is it. Immediately you click on this, the bot will look at the particular condition of the market and know where it's gonna be picking up trade. Now if you still want to make some adjustment to the robot, you can quickly rush and click on here. Let's say you are using $20 and you want to increase it now to $50 or $100. It's very simple. Without deleting the robot, you can just come here and make new settings. Look at this place, you have cap, and make sure that this place is on blue. If it is not on blue, then the robot is not at work. For example, let me click on here. As you can see, the color has changed. I turn off algo trading, and when I turn on the algo trading, it will change to blue. So it is now watching the market to know the place it's gonna pick up trade. If you wait a little bit longer, you will see that it will start picking up trade immediately. So for us to edit this robot, we are going to click on here. Just tap on here twice. Now if you tap on it twice, you're gonna see the settings you have before. So any place you want to change, you can change this place to 0.03. all right, and then change this place, anything you want to change. So let me change it back to 0.05. okay, and then you click on OK. If you click on OK, it starts using the new settings you have given it. This is where I am going to just wrap up this video. So guys, do not waste time, because time waits for nobody. According to him, immediately my video goes live, he will leave this bot on that price for the next 24 hours. After 24 hours, he either delete the link or increase the price in the next 24 hours. I have used the robot, and the robot is extremely wonderful. Doubling your fund in less than 24 hours is not a joke, guys. So this is where I'm gonna come to the last part of this video, urging you to make hay while the sun shines. So till then, see you guys on my next video.